Hi guys, we are from TI46 International Group 4. Me myself, TAQWA PUTRA with student ID 120 122 And my friend, did you know that our education system is still not effective or less effective? So let's make our educational system cheaper with technology of extended reality. To this topic, our group will presenting about 1. First semester review, 2. Extended reality, 3. Educational system, 4. Diagram, 5. Conclusion. And from now on, I'll leave you guys with my friend Devi for the first topic.
Okay, thank you, Takwa. I'm going to introduce myself first. My name is Devi SASKIA Febrisha with the student ID of 120 122 4201. And now I'm going to explain about the first semester review. And I'm going to talk about what we have learned in the semester. We have learned about multimedia, impact of ICT, and then computer and telecommunication. And then the topics that we're going to talk about in this presentation is VR, AR, and MR. And then there is Internet of Things, Industry 4.0, social media, and then the last one is AI, MI, and DL. So in this presentation, we are going to talk about uh, the first semester review first. It is about the purpose of this course is to make us more aware, adaptive, and agile to technological developments, especially information and communication technology, or we usually called it as ICT. And then so by learning about technology literacy, we can learn and understand about technological developments. So by that, we are going to be able to use ICT tools and applications to help us doing work or task. And then the next one, in this presentation, we are going to talk about VR, AR, and MR, or we called it as extended reality. So VR, AR, and MR is a part of extended reality, which can make us feel more present in environment, but it is in digitally. So, however, what is the difference between AR, VR, and MR? The first one, we're going to talk about AR. AR is augmented reality. It is a real world view with additional computer generated enhancement that is achieved through the use of digital visual elements, sound, or other sensory stimuli and delivered via technology. And then the second one, there is VR or virtual reality. It is an interactive computer generated depiction of a real or artificial world or activity. Instead of viewing a screen in front of the users, they are immersed in and can interact with 3D worlds. And then the last one, it is MR. So MR or mixed reality is a mix of both AR and VR. It is an interactive depiction or view of combined real world and computer generated elements which both digital and material objects can coexist and interact with each other. And by that, we are going to talk more about the use of VR, AR, and MR in educational system, and it is going to be explained by my friend Dafa.
Hello everyone, my name is Devi ADITYA with student ID of 1201224190. And here I'll bring you to the main topic of our presentation today, that is the application of virtual reality in educational system. So what is exactly the educational system? It refers to structure of all institutions and the opportunities for obtaining education within a country. However, have you ever felt that the way of educational system works costing so much price? It is still far from effective. The way of traditional education system is like it must have a classroom, a chair, a whiteboard, a table, etc. that are costing so much price. So when uh, pandemic arose in March 2020, we realized how a class can be different. Also, the interaction between teacher and student can be different from the traditional ways. Online system learning proves we don't need a classroom to start the class. a whiteboard to start presenting subject, a chair and table to sit down, or to be ready at the same time. In fact, we can start the class anywhere just with a virtual meeting. Those factors are the key to cut down the price and time for educational system so it can be more effective and cheap. But sometimes the student also need special interaction with their teacher. Our idea is how mixed reality, VR, or augmented reality can be implemented in educational system. So we want to upgrade this system into more fun interaction ways by implementing extended reality in our educational system. Imagine you are in a lab and the lab assistant cannot perform the test directly due to the cost of the tools. Extended reality can display the tools directly with more realistic way so we can analyze it better in a cheaper cost rather than it's just a simulation on a laptop screen. Also, extended reality can make our way to study more effective, especially when it is including 3D object like what we will to show you in our diagram. So, and we'll show you our diagram. This diagram is the data of our classmate in Industrial Engineering 49th period Telkom University. We asked them how hard it is to imagining 3D shape, and 60% of them say that it is hard. Only 20% of them say that it's easy, and the rest of it said it is like a hard but easy or medium. And while we implementing mixed reality, augmented reality, or virtual reality in our educational system, we slightly have a problem, and the problem will be in our friend TAQWA.
Okay, thank you, Dava. So, after all, we face this problem, which is extended reality tools is still hard to afford by some people. In a long-term investment, we believe by the support of people by developing more extended reality tools, it can cut its price and become more affordable to every student. And this will bring us to the end of our presentation. Yes, conclusion. First, we had technology literacy is an awesome subject. Second, our educational system is costing so much price. Third, we don't need such a real object to deal with. Just use extended reality tools. And fourth, extended reality is hard to afford at this point, but with your help, perhaps we can make it possible. Thank you very much for your attention. Let's make more things possible. Bye bye.